Hello guys, so we'll continue our demo. I just want to uh, review this guys. So we make our database connection, so we can say localhost, and then our form. This is the we made in our database and then root. So and then if we visit our database, it has says our database is our form, right? And then we have table forms, right? And then we have ID, we have name, age, and email necessary fields so that our form will be filled in the database, right? So in this case guys, we can make add.php new file. Okay, so guys, in the plus folder, new file, and this new folder, second, this is new folder, right? So new file, so add.php. Okay, so in our add.php guys, so we can just say okay, so and then and okay, so basically title here is add data, right? Maybe add data, or you can type what you want, right? So in this case guys, so we have our body here. So in our body, so we can just say if, and then parenthesis. Okay, wrong. In our body, so we can make php, and then okay, so we can just say here if parenthesis curly brackets, right? So if what we can see here, okay, so parenthesis again, if dollar post. Okay, so we must be specific here guys. Dollar post, and the value is, what is the value? Submit, right? Because guys, why the value is submit? Because in add HTML, so as you can see, the type is name and then value and then add. Okay, so just like that, submit. So we submit the form. Okay, so that's the explanation, and then we can just say uh what else we do. Okay, so dollar name, and then is equals to dollar post, and then value is name, right? So if this is the case, run this. Okay, this is the conditional logic here guys, and then we can just say dollar age, and then so dollar post, okay, and then age, right? Okay, and then the last thing is email is equals to uh, dollar underscore post, and then you might guess the value here guys. So the value is email, right? Okay, value is email. Okay, so and then if we type is here is set. Okay, so something is set. Okay, if is set, post, submit, and then do this. So for example guys, the user guys is typing they submit the form without typing. Okay, so we can comment here checking let us say empty fields. Okay, so because if they do not enter any data here and they submit, so we must validate that one. Okay, so for example, let us say again if parenthesis curly brackets, and then we can just say here uh, empty empty. Okay, so the first empty is dollar dot name, right? Okay, dollar dot name, and then we can just say here guys, and then what else? Empty again, $.age, right? And then we can just say here empty again, of course, email. Okay, so guys, I'll just check our video. Okay, so our recording, because we are limited to only, what's this, we're limited to 10 minutes. Okay, so if empty name, empty age, and then empty email, and then again guys, if parenthesis, curly brackets, parenthesis, curly brackets, and then we can say if empty. So empty is the first one, is you guess is right, you guess right, name. So if the name is empty, so we can just say echo. So we're echoing what we're going to echo here, guys. So echo, and then uh, we can just say here font color. Okay, font dash color is equal to red, and then okay, so red, and then so the value is name field is empty, right? This is the validation, guys. So the user cannot accidentally uh, inputting without no data, right? So and there we will close our font. Okay, just like that, and then we just can say a break tag. Okay, so break tag. Okay, so same thing like this, guys. Break tag, and then okay, like this. Okay, so this is the case, guys. So for example, the user, guys, did not input anything in the field here, so we expect an error, right? So in this case, and then we will just copy this, copy, copy, and then if again, so we can just say the empty in this case is age, and then age spelled is empty, right? And then we can just say here uh, email, right? Copy, and then email. Okay, email, right? And then we can change here email field is empty, right? So that is the case. And then and then guys, if that is the case, so anything are empty, so we can just type here uh, if anything are empty. Okay, so we can just type here else, ano uh, we can just type here maybe echo. We're going to echo something like what we're going to echo, guys. Maybe break tag. Okay, and then we can just see in the break tag that we have also a tag. So in our a tag, we can just say maybe href is equal to, so JavaScript, guys.